Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the iPhone and opening settings. This gets you to system controls fast. Next, tap display and brightness so you can access screen timeout controls. If you don't see auto lock immediately, scroll. Apple sometimes moves related options depending on model and iOS version. Once you land on the right page, pause and confirm battery saver is off because low power mode can override auto lock, and make sure you're ready to change the timeout setting. You now tap auto lock to reveal the list of available timeouts. Pick a value that balances convenience and security. Shorter times save battery and protect privacy. Longer times prevent interruptions. If you use Face ID or a managed device, some options may be restricted. In that case, go to Settings Screen Time or contact your administrator. Once you tap a new duration, the system saves it immediately. So exit Settings and test by waiting for the chosen interval to confirm the screen lock. To finish, test the change by leaving the phone idle for the selected interval. You should see the screen lock automatically. If it doesn't, make sure low power mode is off and check screen time or a device management profile that can enforce auto lock. If those aren't the issue, restart your iPhone to clear transient glitches. If the problem persists, update iOS or contact support. Remember, restarting and checking restrictions usually resolves most conflicts without losing your.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.